What's going on, guys? It's your boy FX NH Express back with another video, and today I wanted to bring you guys my trades taken for the week. We ended up catching a total of 10 RR this previous week across 3 trades, so let's get into this thing. So starting off, we have CHF JPY on the weekly time frame. As you guys can see, we were making higher highs and higher lows. So we were looking to take a counter trend trade on this position to the downside. As we move down to the daily time frame, as you guys can see, we were making higher highs and higher lows. We can see higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then we ended up closing underneath this area of interest. So now we're technically bearish. So we were waiting on that pullback to continue taking a position to the downside. On the 4 hour, we ended up taking those positions because we did have a left head, right shoulder closure underneath, confirming that it is bearish. And then we ended up just taking a position, entering on this 4 hour closure right here, because we wanted to see it close underneath this lower high, lower low. So we wanted to see that close underneath the lower low to confirm it's going bearish. So we ended up taking one position there. We ended up taking this position at around 12 a.m. And it hit our take profit at around 3 a.m. So a quick 4 RR in 3 hours. And then during New York session, we ended up getting another position on the 15-minute time frame. As you guys can see, it was making that lower high right here, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then it had a lower high again, and we just entered on this morning star formation, bearish engulfing candlestick on the 15-minute time frame at about 7 a.m. doing New York. So across these two trades, that's roughly 7 RR. Then we had AUD CAD. So if we go to the weekly time frame on AUD CAD, we were making a higher high. As you guys can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And we were in our area of interest, and it had that pullback. So we were just looking to have a continuation to the upside. Once we drop down to the daily time frame, you guys can see we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and we had a break underneath. So now we're bearish in this market, and we had a push above. So now we're making higher highs and higher lows. As you guys can see right here, we had a pullback to this area of interest, and we were just looking to take a continuation. Same thing on the 4 hour. We had that break of structure above. We were making higher highs and higher lows, right? And then we were just looking to take, as you guys can see, we have a left head, right shoulder reversal, and we ended up taking this position, I believe, on the 30-minute right here on this bullish engulfing, and it was actually on the 15-minute time frame right here. As you guys can see, we had that shift of structure, right? We were making lower lows and lower highs, shift, we waited on a pullback, and then we had our entry. So this right here was about 3 RR, and then so that's our 10 RR for the week. And currently we're in AUD CHF. For the last what is this, 5 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks almost, it's been consolidating at this zone. So we were looking to take a sell position on the daily. We were looking to make it bearish. We just wanted to have a confirmation underneath this area, which we got, and then we ended up taking the sell on the 4 hour on this left head, right shoulder, and then we ended up entering on this morning star formation right here. But yeah, currently we're up in this trade about $1,500. So yeah, that's pretty much all the trades we've taken for this week. I will be dropping my analysis video tomorrow, probably around 1 p.m. EST, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.